Teleportation. This word is known to every one of us. And today I am going to answer your questions only that what is teleportation? Can we teleport? And is teleportation possible? And if yes, then how? So let's start the video. And before starting the video, if you are new in our channel, so subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get this type of interesting and knowledgeable videos. So let's start. Teleportation is something like this. You are traveling from a thing or a living thing is traveling from one place to another without traveling the distance. For example, you are standing on an island and far away after for about 1 kilometers far there is another island. You are teleporting from one island to another island without crossing the sea or without crossing the distance. So this is called teleportation. Now some examples of teleportation is time travel. Means you are in one point of time. Suppose you are in 2015 and you are just traveling in 2022 without traveling the time or without going with the time. You are just jumping from one point to another. This is also an example of teleportation. But teleportation's main example, or it is defined like this. Suppose I have a paper and on that paper there are two dots, and I will say you what is the easiest way or which way will the two dots meet them in less of time. So you will say I will just draw a line and it will be the easiest way. But no, teleportation say just fold the paper and the dot at the right side will meet the left, or the left one will meet the right. Like this the teleportation works. Now the question is, how we can teleport, or can we teleport? First of all, our body is made up of small particles. That I am not going to the depth, so I am telling it small particles only. So that joins and create our body. And while teleporting, that small particles detach, and they are so small that we can only see it with microscope, or not with that also. So that all part detach and go inside one hole, or one means you are watching a hole on the screen. You are getting into it and you are getting out from another hole. So it is just traveling the space. So let's come to our topic. The small particles get inside that thing and it get out from the another part, and then they again attach. But if it didn't attach like how we are now, means if our head joins with our hand, because it don't have any mind that it will said that we were like that, so we will join like that. Means the small particles of head can also join with our hand, and our hand also can join in the part of our head. It is just confusing, but it is only the truth. So this is why teleportation is not possible till now. But scientists are still trying to invent the teleportation thing so that we can travel in any part of the space without traveling any distance. Like you have heard a walk is a place, means you get into a walk from one place of the space and you get out from and you didn't cross thousands of light years and then get out from the point only you want to. So hope you like the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any other example of teleportation, comment it below, and you can see my other